What's up friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a project in Asana. To do that, simply find a project on the left hand side that you wish to share. Right click on the project and you will see share project. Click on that, enter the email of the person that you want. So let's say I type in Andrew. I'm going to go ahead and choose that as an example here, and you want to now choose the access that they will have, whether that's going to be an editor or project admin or commenter or viewer, whatever. Just go ahead and do that. Now it's important to ensure that the correct access settings is selected, so it needs to, and you need to choose if you want that person to have access to that entire workspace, or you just want them to be limited to just that members only. So just keep that in mind. You want to also decide as well if that person is going to have access as a task collaborator, or if you just want them to have just the view rights or commenter rights or whatever. Once you select whatever, here at the bottom you will see the current members that you have, and this is basically to show you how many members you have and the roles and so forth. Now once you select all of what you want here, or let's say the rights that you want to give to this person, just simply click on invite and they will receive an invitation in their inbox of that access that you give to them for that project. And that's it.